Make the most of your time as a student with us. Hi there, we're UWTSD Students Union, and you're more than a student. You're one of our members. We're the people in purple on a mission to help you make the most of your time as a student. Whoever you are, whatever you do, you'll find your place at UWTSD. Let's run through what we do. Voice. We are a proudly student-led charity. We are not a part of the university. You can be a part of our network of student representatives who help us gather student thoughts and opinions and ensure they get heard. We also run the student elections at UWTSD, which you can nominate and vote in, helping to pick the people who represent you. And leading us are your union presidents. They are student elected and work full-time to direct our work, hold us accountable and represent you to the union, the university and beyond. Advice. As a member, you can use our advice service. It's free, independent and confidential. We want to empower you to make the right decisions for you. Opportunities. Your student experience is so much more than just lectures, and we're committed to helping you make the most of it. You can embrace your passions by joining or starting a student-led club or society. Bring your A game by joining one of our competitive sports teams with professional training from UWTSD's Academy of Sport. You can take your student experience to the next level by taking part in one of our Give It a Go events. It's jam-packed with awesome experiences, hand-picked by us at prices you won't find anywhere else. After all that, you can brush up your skills and get career ready with free workshops and training from Skills Week. Venues. We also run your on-campus venues. There's Y Loft and Y Club in Carmarthen, and The Hive, Old Bar and Extension in Lampeter. They're great places to chill out, catch up with friends and party the night away. With us, you'll be making friends, making awesome memories and making a difference in your community in no time. Once enrolled at the university, you're automatically one of our members. Whether this is your first year or last, you study full-time or part-time, living on campus or off, have a little free time or a lot, we've got something for you. Head to our website to learn more or drop us an email or message.